that off, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the seal here and bring out our new fancy post cap. So there it is. There's your cap claw. That just pulls off the bottom. I'm going to be careful because these are sharp. I mean really sharp. Not enough to shave, but certainly enough to cut yourself. So you want to make sure that that's off of there. And then basically what you're looking for is, well, I'll put it this way maybe. That doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Get it so that it's about in the center, and then push it down. And now that's on there nice and tight. And you've got a beautiful looking post cap. Well, we're going to make it even better. On the top, you'll notice we've got a screw. And it's a machine screw. And that screw, if you have a dime or a nickel in your pocket, it's really easy to unfasten. And the idea behind that is you can just unscrew that cap, that screw on the top of the cap. And then you can use one of our finials. So we've got 6 different finials. Today I'm going to put on the Texas Star, and these are all zinc, 100% American zinc. They're really solid, and you can feel the weight. Of course you can't see the weight, but they're there. You'll notice there's a nut on the bottom. Well, you can get rid of the nut. The nut is there for you in case you have a pre-existing post cap and you wanted to drill it out with a 1/4 inch drill. Then you could use the nut, obviously, to fasten it onto the bottom. So it's a 1/4 20. Here we'll put on the Texas Star, and because it's already threaded, that's why you don't need the nut. So just turn it on, and yeah, get it in there nice, put it in the direction you want to have it, and now we've got a Texas Star on the top. And of course you can pick any of the other finials, put it in whatever orientation you like. Here you'll see I don't have all 6 here, but there's what we call hops, and there's a fleur-de-lis and a ball top quad, and we've got a trident and an acorn, and the acorn is a special one I'll have to share with you a little later. But that's how quick it is to put in a cap and a finial.